Okay, right, I've unpacked everything from everything that comes in the carry case for facial treatments. So you'll have the control panel, you'll have the power pack, you'll have a pair of grey electrode cables, you'll have a face mask accessory. There's two of these in each pack. You'll have your carry case, which doubles as a treatment tray, and inside that you'll have a large metal electrode and a plastic distance grid. I've already put 450-500 ml of warm tap water inside here, because essentially what you're going to do is you're going to place a wet mask on your face, which is a single electrode, and then you're going to use your hand or foot, if it's more comfortable for you, to close the circuit and get the current flowing through the body and into the treatment area. So for right now, this mask needs to be off, soaking in warm tap water. We use warm tap water for a couple of reasons. A, obviously it's more comfortable to put something warm on your face. Also, warm water conducts electricity easier, and it will also soften the skin to allow the current into your skin easier than what cold water would. Okay, so on the back of the control panel, we've got the ConnectION here. You can perform facial treatments with either of the Hidrex machines. However, the classic Ion is limited in the fact that it doesn't have variable pulse current, so you can only perform treatments in equal 50% on, 50% off rotation. So that gives you a really mild treatment, which is fine for facial treatments. However, a 50% pulse rate is a lot less efficient than what the variable pulse current machines can offer you. So for example, if you are performing treatments with a classic Ion in standard pulse current, which is 50% on, 50% off equal cycles, over your 15-minute treatment session, you're actually only getting 7.5 minutes of dosage. So you lose efficiency. So what you gain in comfort, you lose in efficiency. The great thing about having a ConnectION is that you've got the option for the variable pulse current. The variable pulse current feature is a Hidrex feature. It was invented by Hidrex. It's one of the reasons why they're leading market leaders in these machines, in this type of equipment. The variable pulse allows you to adjust the pulse cycles so that you can get much more efficient treatment. So you can set this machine, you can adjust it in 10% increments from 50-50 to 60-40, 70-30, all the way up to 90-10, which is powers on 90% of the time. Gives you a nice mild treatment, but is really near to direct current efficiency. So it's a lot better piece of equipment for facial sweating. So on the back you've got on-off switch, you've got your power plug, and you've got two cable entry ports on the back. The outermost one is your positive side, this side is your negative electrode, and your grey cables just simply push in. So just make sure they go all the way in at the back, and your power pack cable goes in, and then you switch the machine on. Okay, so the other do need to take a bit of care with these electrodes, particularly on the face. They can be a little bit fragile. So you're going to want to plug the positive side into the face mask, and you're going to put the negative side into the large electrode. Okay, so now imagine that this mask is soaking wet. I haven't done it because it's obviously a little bit awkward when you're on camera. But essentially you're going to apply this mask to the face, outside like this, with the Velcro going around to hold it into place. It's a little bit fiddly, but you can do it quite easily. Oh, he said. Okay, so this is a mask fitted to the face. Don't be too concerned that there's gaps here and gaps at the nose, because the treatment will creep into those areas. we're going to set the machine up in a minute, but I'm just showing you basically how to apply the equipment and how you need to set the machine up prior to having your settings put it in. Okay.